Here's the Bryant Preferred Series heat pump running again. Decided to try to get another video of this unit. It's already February 19th. It's not going to be many heat mode videos left for this heating season. Considering tomorrow's going to get up to 69. Some people has already started up their HVAC unit, air conditioners. So yeah, March begins on next Sunday. So that's probably when the cooling season is going to begin. It's nice and warm, really warm actually. It's got a Gentech fan motor. It may actually have an LG scroll compressor. I thought I had a Copeland, but listen to how quiet it is. That can't be a Copeland. That's got to be an LG. Leave down in the comments. Yep. '26 week of 2011, 2.5 ton. That's Goodman over there. I'll get a separate video of that one. It's not going to be running though, because it's not been running. And I'll try to get a defrost cycle with this unit tonight. It's 86% humidity, but it is 48 degrees. And this unit has gone to defrost when it's not humid. So we'll see if I can get a defrost cycle of it. So yeah. There's another video of the Bryant Preferred Series heat pump running in heat mode. So, yeah. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.